Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix slow charger warning on iPhone and how we can fix this. So if you're having this kind of trouble whenever you're trying to charge your iPhone, and this is what we have to do in order to fix it. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is make sure one thing, that if you're using any kind of adapters, for example the charger, you might be using the older versions of the chargers like 5-watt chargers on the older devices like this. So all the latest models, they're having the charger around 18 to 20 watts of chargers they're having. So try using those kind of adapters. So you have to switch from 5-watt adapters to the 18 or 20-watt adapters. So that's going to help you in order to fix this as the first one. So you try replacing the adapters from the 5-watt to using this over here 18 or 20 watt, and you have to check. And that is how we can do as the first step. And the next step is all about what you need to do. Sometimes the issue might be with the charging port. So as you can see, the charging port might get very easily filled with the debris, dust particles and all kind of things. So what you need to do is keep a habit of removing all the tiny particles as well as the debris and all kind of things that has been ejected over here. You have to use some kind of SIM ejector or something, or you can use the ejector tool or something, and gently, very slowly you have to remove all the dirts and you have to check. So this is the second thing. Moving to the third thing is all about we have to try with a forced restart. I always used to say forced restart works a lot, and it really helps a lot when it comes to these kind of an issue. So you can do a forced restart. So to do so, what you need to do is you have to press the volume up followed by the volume down and press and hold the power button over here. And listen until you see the Apple logo, you have to keep pressing. So let me show you, and make sure that you have to do all kind of these things very instantly, and it should be very fast. So what you need to do is press the volume up followed by the volume down and press and hold the power button over here like this. Keep pressing, and only you have to remove the finger from the power button when you see the Apple logo. When you see the Apple logo, you can just remove the finger from there, and all you have to do is just wait. So the phone will be completely booted up, and now afterwards if you connect back to the with the chargers, and most probably they're going to help you guys out. Now you can unlock your phone like this, and if you try connecting with the cable, most probably, right, like I said, it's definitely going to work for you guys, and this is how we can fix this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.